In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove extra blank space on your Wix website. If you've noticed large gaps between sections on your page, don't worry. This is a very common issue in Wix, and in most cases, it's quick to fix once you know where to look. The extra space might be coming from a section that's taller than it needs to be, a completely empty section, or even elements that are affecting the layout from a distance. I will walk you through the simplest ways to clean that up. Start by opening your site in the Wix editor. Once you are inside the editor, click on the section or strip where you see the excessive blank space. This is important because you want to make sure you are adjusting the correct area and not accidentally changing another part of the page. After selecting that section, look along the bottom edge for the blue double-headed arrow. This is the resize handle. Click and drag that handle upward until the section snaps closer to the bottom of your content. As you do this, keep an eye on the spacing so you don't make the section too tight. The goal is to remove the unnecessary empty area while still giving your content enough room to breathe. If you want a more precise adjustment, here is another option. Go to Tools in the top menu, select Toolbar, and manually enter a smaller pixel value for the section height. This can be especially helpful if dragging feels a little imprecise, and you want more control over the final look. Now, if the empty space is actually coming from a completely blank section with no content inside it, you can simply remove it. Click the empty section to select it, then press Delete or Backspace on your keyboard. You can also right-click the background and choose Delete. Once that blank section is gone, the surrounding sections should automatically move up and close the gap. Another useful way to find layout problems is by using Zoom Out and Reorder in the top right corner of the Wix editor. This gives you a bird's-eye view of the whole page, which makes it much easier to spot large gaps or floating elements that may be creating extra space. From there, you can drag sections closer together as needed, then save your changes when everything looks right. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.